Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Roski from the University of Evansville. I'm an associate professor of management. I've been teaching this course, Operations Management, for about 3 years now, and students have highly rated it. Instead of just sitting in a classroom and having the same lectures, same backdrop, we go to different places. Like here we're filming outside today, right at the heart of campus here at UE. Since we're accredited AACSB, this course should transfer into your university. This is a 3 credit hour course, but I always encourage you to go and make sure, print out the course profile and make sure it transfers. Hope you enjoy the course and some of the lectures. Hope to hear from you soon. Alright, so Chapter 5 is about process analysis, and we're trying to answer one simple question. Are we providing the most value we can to our customers, whether it be internal, inside our facility, or external to the final customer? And if we are, can it be improved in any way? That's what we're trying to answer. We'd like to get right to the point with this chapter and go over these 6 steps. The 6 steps in process analysis are: number 1, we're going to identify opportunities. Number 2, we're going to define the scope. Number 3, we're going to document the process. Number 4, we're going to evaluate performance. Redesign the process is step 5, and finally implement changes. I'm going to briefly go over each one of these, and then we're going to go on to page 171 and talk a little bit about benchmarking. Okay, you ready? Page 153 talks about step 1, which is identifying new opportunities. When you're looking at your process, it might not be in operations. It might be, let's say, at UE, how can we recruit students better? Or how can we do the registration process better? You know, these are all changes that we looked at as faculty on committees that we're trying to continuously improve, looking at your suggestions and saying, is there anything that we can do better? Well, there's studies for this, and we document the process as we go along. So these 6 steps in companies might be 5 or 8. They might tweak it, but the same information is there. Alright, so step 1, identifying opportunities. You have to find key areas, whether it's new product development, supplier relationships, customer relationships, or order fulfillment. I like to think of the Prius as an example. Back before gas prices spiked up, Toyota went to their top engineers and put them on this project. They weren't sure it was a Prius project at the time, but they said they wanted a fuel-efficient vehicle for the 21st century. And they came up with, out of a number of ideas, dwindled it down to hybrid technology and launched the Prius. They not only put that hybrid technology in the Prius, but they also went over to the Camry and a few other vehicles to be successful in this project.